Guys, this video is going to be fun because यहाँ पे आया हूँ ना, they've been awarded as the best burger joint in North and the place is Perilicious. They tell you the number of patties they want in the burger?
All of us normal smash burgers always come with 2 patties.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum. And the king one is 3 patties.
So king patty, so king like me.
Yes.
And look at the chicken, man, and the quantity.
We're also making a Korean burger for you. Listen to that crunch.
Chili cheese lamb patty. And to end the chicken, a bit of glaze, the sauce on the chicken for that extra flavor.
Table number 2, table number 4.
And look at this. All right. 3, 2, 1. Yo, what's up people? हाँ जी, अगर आप बर्गर के शौकीन हो तो I have come to this special place. They have been awarded as the best burger joint in North Delhi. And can I say this? लगा भी देख के kitchen गया ना, all these patties were getting grilled and third smash करके देते हैं. Triple smash burger with it's by the way called King Smash. So all those kings out there, उनके लिए burger is tremendous. अच्छा कह रहे शोएब हमारे यहाँ ना burgers का हिसाब किताब समझ लो. Anybody, a special crafted burgers for let's say truffle burger, the chicken patty and it's made so nicely that it's our own recipe. And with that, they said try our veg Korean burger which has paneer as a patty and Korean sauces use करते हैं. And the buns are brioche and मुंह में जाने के बाद ना right, left and center it'll go away. कह रहे वो fiber दे रहा है तो भैया अच्छा rocket leaves and feta का orange salad खिलाएंगे. It's really good, very refreshing. And with that their chicken wrap, all those chicken and the all vegetables coming together, rolled in a bread, served like a wrap, beautiful. And people who've forgotten or people who miss Nando's, they serve their own grilled chicken which is juicy, tender and cooked to perfection. मेरे साथ चलो एक जगह दिखाता हूँ. मैं आया हूँ गुड़गांव सेक्टर 70 में. There's this mall called इलान एपिक एंड यहाँ पे जगह है पेरिलिशियस जहाँ पे खाना मिलता है जवान. कहने का मतलब फुल ऑन फॉर पीपल हु लव बर्गर्स एंड देयर फास्ट फूड. आई थिंक दिस इज अ वेरी कूल प्लेस एंड आई जेन्युइनली वांट टू सी क्या हाइप है भैया. अवार्ड क्यों दिया है, वो क्यों दिया, इतना बड़ा अवार्ड है. बेटा कहीं तक बन रहा ना बहुत पानी आएगा. चले लेट्स गो. I have never seen such a water body in the center of a mall, yaar. It's so cool. Guys, this is called Perilicious Smash Burgers and Grills. अंदर चलते हैं आओ. Before I start, just look at this. हमने शायद इंट्रो में भी देखा होगा. Best burger joint, and I genuinely want to see. Oh, why are they best, bro? मतलब ऐसे क्या है? Guys, this is the whole look and feel. आराम से बैठ के खाओ. मतलब this is how it looks. Made it very nicely. Owner से मिलते हैं. Behind the mocktail bar, two brothers. How are you, man?
Good. How are you?
Good. How are you, brother? What's your? I'm sorry, your name, man?
Nikunj Gaba.
Rehan Bhag.
Yeah, you guys have been awarded as the best burger joint in North. I saw this trophy. Is that true?
That is true. That is very true.
And just tell me in very short answer, which is the best burger that you find in your restaurant?
Chili double cheese smash. Choose your meat, but
Achha.
we make it in all meats.
So which one's your favorite meat?
Chicken.
Which one's yours?
Avalicious for me.
Avalicious?
Yeah.
So has avocado in it?
Yes.
Can I enter the kitchen, man?
Absolutely.
Can I see
Yeah.
where the magic happens?
Come. Follow
Let's
us.
do it, brother. Are you all set to go?
Yes, let's go.
So this is the magic, huh?
This is the magic.
All right, guys. Look at this, guys. So these are chicken patties, right?
These are chicken patties. Yes.
Very good. And these are?
Lamb patties.
अच्छा, you smash it obviously. Look at the menu, भाई. तो सारा कुछ 400 के नीचे है.
सारा कुछ 400 के नीचे. Only half chicken is above 399. Everything else in the menu is below 399.
अच्छा. How old are you, brother?
I am 27. Just turned 27.
Such young person and such big dreams, huh?
Yes.
अच्छा, fond of burgers is why you opened a burger joint?
Fond of food overall, not just burgers but overall. I was in Manchester. Me and my partner, obviously Nikunj, he was in Manchester as well. We both thought of opening a restaurant together ever since we were in college, and we did this. Yes.
Very good.
So there is no oil whatsoever that you see here. It's all the natural animal fat, which
And
is
it
rendering,
renders.
becoming crispy. That crispy edges and bits.
Very
it's all
good.
natural.
So guys, mashed patties in India recently have got really viral for the fact that they're very thin and tasty and you can put multiple of them. अच्छा, by the way, lamb को देखना. देख रहे हो जी? है मेरा favorite मालिया जी. Hello chef, कैसे हो? बढ़िया. Very good. अरे वाह, flipping is on. You know, looking at these burgers, man, I'm a big gaga person for burgers. अच्छा अच्छी बात पता है क्या है? And I'm being very real about this. The moment you enter kitchen ना, this fresh smell. There's no foul smell. It's all clean and hygiene is very important. So we understand and that's what I like. So the patties are done. आगे चलते देखते क्या हो रहा है. So how does it work with burgers? Smash patties. So do they tell you the number of patties they want in the burger?
All of us normal smash burgers always come with 2 patties.
Bare minimum.
Bare minimum. And the king one is 3 patties.
So king patties or king like me.
Yes.
That is a great thing to say, man. ये buns के लिए butter?
Yes.
That's so good, yeah.
Patties have no oil, but buns always deserve butter.
And needless to say, all brioche buns.
All 100% brioche for your non-veg burgers and a veg bun which is completely separate for all the veg burgers, eggless potato bun. So separate buns for both veg and non-veg. We didn't want to compromise. We could have done a veg bun for all. Supply chain efficiency also that way. Wastage is also less. But non-veg burgers require 100% brioche.
Guys, just for knowledge, ये menu देख लो. Okay. So salad ही देख लो. सारे 200-250 रुपए के salad है. But जो मैंने order किया वो I've ordered for a king smash, the biggest burger. They have a 399, otherwise 299 का है. So this is how it is. And the menu looks very American, huh? And guys, this is their black truffle. These are called crafted smash burgers. So मैंने ये किया 369 का ये. And then from grill, it reminds you of Nando's, huh? Just letting you know. And their wrap as well. Wrap कितने का? 349. Thank you, man.
That's our special sauce going in there.
Was it spicy, medium spicy, what?
It's all kinds of flavors in all honesty.
I like the crunchy lettuce, man.
So we don't use iceberg.
You don't use iceberg.
We don't use iceberg. Some of our burgers we use arugula, which is rocket leaves. Some of them we use romaine.
And there you go. What's happening here, brother?
That's our grilled chicken. This is our hot sauce. We have an option to choose from our sauces. We have 5-6 sauces that you can choose from based on your spice level.
Guys, just look at the chicken, man. I love smoky feel, man. Hickory sauce वाली नहीं होती. I don't know if you know, guys, know hickory sauce. It's a biscuit sauce, like a brown sauce. वैसा कुछ लग रहा है.
Chef, come here. I want to show you something. We're also making a Korean burger for you. Listen to that crunch.
So this is a proper flawless patty that I see golden brown.
Yes.
And it's a paneer patty.
It's a paneer patty.
So it'll be all filled up with Korean ingredients.
In-house Korean sauce, in-house Korean slaw, everything. It's going to be assembled that.
So ये veggies यहाँ पे किसके लिए?
आपके grilled chicken में?
Guys, ये देख के ना मजा आता है यार. To have all your fiber alongside. वैसे तो हम खाते नहीं है जिंदगी में. But look at this. So broccoli से लेके, peppers से लेके, zucchini से लेके, mushroom से लेके, please, baby corn से लेके, very good.
This is our in-house compound butter made out of our secret spices, blends. We put a few chunks of that
अच्छा.
in our veggies.
You know, off the camera, I'll take all your secret along with me. Guys, all imported vegetables used. And I'm very happy about that, huh? Quality, 100%. And to end the chicken, a bit of glaze, the sauce on the chicken for that extra flavor. What flavors are the fries, man?
Very, very.
And this is your proper meal?
Yeah.
That's done. This is how you serve grilled chicken, right?
Yes, yes.
That's your half portion.
That's our half portion.
Yeah, bro, आप ना fish and chips को लेकर आओ. अब Manchester से खुद आ गए हो.
हाँ.
But I need fish and chips in the menu, man.
We'll try in the future.
Huh? Like
we-
runny batter,
Yeah.
long piece of fish
Yeah.
with a beautiful fresh tartar.
Done.
A tartar and a wedge of lemon.
Done. Absolutely. Table number 2, table number 4.
ऐसे बता रहा हूँ, they serve beautiful truffle burger, but I replaced it with the lamb burger, the chili cheese lamb burger, जो आपने देखा था पहले, वो जो ऊपर chili था ना, on top of the patty. Anyway, bro, where is the salad, man?
It's right here.
आप करें, चालू करें?
हाँ, चलो.
So this is which salad of yours?
This is our rocket orange and feta.
Feta cheese.
Feta
obviously,
cheese.
Needless to say, चलो.
Balsamic dressing, sir.
Balsamic dressing. You know, a lot of people have vinegar like me at home. Balsamic.
Yeah.
I love the flavor of balsamic.
Absolutely.
है ना? Very important role in salads.
Yes. Balsamic, olive oil.
So rocket leaves का बहुत इस्तेमाल है किचन में है.
Yes.
इस वाले में. And then orange on the side. Feta.
Yes, sir.
And then finally on top.
Orange medallions.
Very well. Wow. This is looking nice, man. ये सेहत के लिए अच्छा काम कर रहे हो?
Yes, absolutely. Sunflower seeds, cashews, almonds, cranberries, berries.
Very good. And this is their chili cheese lamb patty. पहले हम truffle कर रहे थे order, हमने ये कर लिया switch. And finally, the ending of this burger.
So look at the pulled chicken. That's for the wrap that you're gonna try.
And you saute the onion along with it.
Yeah, we sorted the onions with it.
अभी we open daily, brother?
Daily 11:30 to 11:30 in the night. 12 hours.
And look at the chicken, man, and the quantity. So this is the real quantity, huh? This
Yeah.
is way too much, man.
Yeah, this is the real one.
Cheese.
It comes along with cheese, yes.
Acha, that's a heavy dose, man.
All gets wrapped.
And this is done, huh?
This is done. It all gets wrapped.
You know, it takes a lot of talent to do this.
Yeah. And then it goes into our panini press.
So the veg Korean burger मैं आपको टेबल पे दिखाऊंगा. उसकी पैटी फ्राई हो चुकी है. वरना मुझे भूख लग रही है. I think it's time we have some food. Alright guys, just look at this. This is a proper beautiful spread and I'm telling you, I am so happy यार. Genuinely बताऊं, they're taking care of food. मतलब ना खिलाने में interested हैं. आ जाओ. Alright, I'm going to start with what? I don't even know what. Okay, look at this wrap यार. ये ना इसको मजाक में मत लेना. ये आधा रैप ना शायद मेरा एक टाइम का खाना ही है. And good thing that everything is under 400. That I'm very happy कि दिमाग में ना आधी mindset लेके आता है. This is what I'm going to spend. Only grilled chicken is a bit expensive than 400. But अगर आप इसका quarter लोगे तो वो भी 400 के नीचे है. Alright, try करें. 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. Let's go in. Oh man. You know what do I like? The freshness of bread at its first place. The chicken is juicy and it's full. You can take fried chicken as well. जो fried lover है. But I am telling you. Oh man, this is so good. That feel of pickle and a lot of chicken. कमाल कर दिया. What a beginning. What a beginning. Aji, sit down. Okay. Look at this burger. This is a big burger, huh? Big burger. इसको ना आधा करते हैं. Let's have it. जब पूरी बाइट लेंगे ना, it will become too mushy. Oh man, look at this. Alright. Is that right? Okay, this is a triple patty king burger, huh? People who live king size, eat king size, and categorically, उन्हीं के लिए. Alright, can we go in? Let's do it. Oh man. That umami feel. For all burger lovers, come. मजाक नहीं कर रहा. You need to come and try this. This is so good from all angles. You know, best part that everything is complementing each other so well. The crunch of the leaves, the sweetness of the pickle, the umami flavor of the patty itself is so good. And why I see they've been awarded and the variety of burgers. This is the most classic, the king size one. You can take a regular burger of classic as well. There are many of them, yaar. You know, अच्छा पता क्या लगा? That the chef seemed professional. He knew what he was doing, and every step of the way he was ensuring that the ingredients are right. And every burger, as per him, stands out. एक जैसे नहीं है. They don't merge flavors. So that's a very fine thing. हाँ जी, आ जाओ जी. So for me, this looks very fascinating. मतलब क्या बोलूँ यार? Nice. So it's lemon wedge. I'm not going to use lemon though. Oh man, ये देख लो chicken from inside. Now for people who, I don't know if you remember, Nando's के lover इतने थे, पर Nando's यहाँ चला नहीं. One maybe was the pricing bit because it was and nothing was less than 1,000 at the time. This is better in that case. You take a bit of sauce and go in. You know about this chicken and the sauce that they put, when you put it on grill na, chicken absorbs the smoke, becomes smokier. And on top of that, when you glaze the sauce, it becomes smokier than before. Smokier square is what you can say it, huh? And the fries, it's a must too. अच्छा पता क्या यार, that मैंने सब अंदर ना prep work देखा था, so I know what's going kitchen के, and which is why these videos come out really useful, is only because people come and eat बाहरों बाहर, कोई idea नहीं अंदर kitchen के पीछे हो क्या रहा है, पता नहीं है, हम वो दिखाते हैं इधर आओ. After that chicken, what you need is a bit of fiber inside you, a bit of freshness. Your body needs relaxation, huh? Good health. Oh man, I know how fresh this is. That acidity from orange. And that nice composition of feta, kamal kar rahe hain. So you know it balances everything, and that's what it's about. And any salad that you have in life, mere veero, freshness is what we're looking at, and nothing more. I like the use of seeds, nice. Kamal kar rahe hain. So it's such a contrast now when you become a meat eater, and that too this way, and eat fiber long. Okay, now this is for all my bros out there, jinanu veg pasand hai. Okay, look at this. A simple Korean patty, a bit from inside. Do you see? तो नीचे की तरफ ना you'll see Korean sauce and Korean ingredients. That's what it's about. If you want to see it from center, इसको भी दिखाते हैं. And it's very wise to have burger and half. I know the cool way is to have full burger, but विनय आराम से बैठ के खा रहे हो. Enjoy the visual treat as well ना. Let's go. Let's go. Alright. ये ऊपर वाले की पेशकश है. ऊपर वाला था तो हम हैं और हम हैं तो ये है और ये है तो मैं हूँ और मैं हूँ तो आप लोगों. Let's go in. Oh man, you know why I like this? Is even in my wildest imagination, I would not see burger coming this way to me. These flavors kicking in. I love the paneer. Firstly, you know why? Not that because it's paneer, but the paneer is soft and the batter on top is very thin. That's very cool. And the slaw use back in the day, in our times, 90s and 80s, we used to use a lot of coleslaw and slaws. अच्छा लग रहा है with that hint of Korean sauce going in. तो अच्छा है यार. It's medium spicy, like a little spicy. अच्छा लग रहा है. This is nice stuff, man. Must try for all their stuff, yaar. Guys, okay, let's go on to this one. This is chili cheese lamb burger. Yes, this is what it is from inside. And let's go and take a bite. Alright. You know, lamb patty is my favorite because that's the best meat that you find in India. Oh man, that hint of spice from chili. Oh, this is good, man. So hint of spice from chili and that pickle goes along. It's like too many flavors at one time. Maza aa gaya Veera. Impressive work done by them. This place genuinely stood out for me. And can I say this? Reasonably priced. Because when you go and compare places like these ना and you spend food पे तो मेरे ख्याल से 2-3 हज़ार रुपये का बिल ऐसे ही आता है. I see one person getting all sorted in within 500. I see it like that, but वो आपके ऊपर आप क्या क्या खाते हो. Okay, once again Perilicious Sector 70. Description में location, address, pricing, contact number सब डाल दूँगा. आके try कर लेना. Do put your hands on the grilled chicken as well as on the burgers and whatever, man. This is good stuff. बहुत जल्द मिलूँगा. Take care, see you.